Hi everybody, today is Tuesday, January 29th, and I just wanted to record this brief video to kind of re-summarize some of the readings that you've posted up until now, and also just give some broad impressions that I'm getting from the latest discussion about post-process. I've read the threads. I posted some comments. I think we're on the right track. I think we're getting it. I think the readings are difficult, but I think what's coming through in your interpretations is this idea that the process theory, for all its accomplishments and value, according to these readings that you're doing right now, cannot account for the difference in writing contexts, in writing situations, and how different professional organizations structure writing tasks based on their needs. So I think you're getting where you need to be. I think you don't need to worry about applying anything to anything just yet. These are complicated issues. These are not things that will become immediately clear to you. People are debating them. People are still not sure about what any of this means, and these are theories. These are arguments that are important to try to understand and try to interpret. But it's not gonna come overnight. It's not easy. So you're fine. I really appreciate the comments that you're posting for one another and to one another. I think I see evidence of some genuine conversation on the website, which is really great. This is the ultimate joy for an online instructor, is when students are discussing things genuinely with one another. I also wanted to let you know that as time goes on, I will change my method of reading your posts a little bit. The first couple of weeks I read everything. I commented very closely on just about everybody's post, and the purpose of that was to set the tone for the conversation. I think at this point we are able to move on a little bit. So what I'll do is I will still read all your posts, and I will still comment, but I will try to purposefully remove myself a little bit from kind of being from hovering over your posts, and maybe I won't comment on quite so many posts anymore. I'll probably end up posting fewer comments but more substantial ones, longer ones. I will probably look for themes. I will look for threads that run through different posts in order to kind of point us in a direction for discussion. But my goal in these comments would not be to just say, okay, everybody must get a comment from me. It would be to paint a broader picture of the conversation, of where it's going, where I see it going, where it needs to be going. So if you see fewer comments from me in the coming weeks, you will probably do that, but you will also probably see more substantial comments. The fewer comments that I will post will probably be longer and more substantial. And so that's just an explanation of how I'm adjusting my reading strategy a little bit, just so that there's a little bit more learning from kind of peer-to-peer is going on rather than just learning from me. Okay, last note for today. We are getting inevitably closer to the time when we'll start our course project. I am now working on finalizing a lineup of clients for us. What that means is that you will work in small groups on specific client-based projects for real people, real organizations, real needs for professional writing instruction. Let it be my little secret for now. I'm negotiating all the particulars with several clients, both on campus and off campus. And so the parameters of the project that are described in the syllabus will not change. You will still write those things that are described in the syllabus. But one thing that I'm trying to do now with the clients is to explain our project, explain our class to them, and begin connecting with them. So when I have more information from each of the clients, which should be in probably a couple of weeks, we'll begin making those groups, those teams, writing teams, and also I will begin explaining the client's needs to you a little bit before you actually meet with the clients face to face or over the phone, whatever the case may be, and begin working on their needs analysis. So just a heads up for what's coming up. Other than that, I think we're doing great. If you have any questions about anything, readings, assignments, technical issues, well, just let me know, and I look forward to reading your next posts, which are due tonight, actually. So thank you all very much again for all your work, and happy week. Bye.